This is Jeremy before he eats a habanero Mexican pepper. The whole pepper.
Chew it up.
$20 if he eats it without crying like a baby. He's got to chew it up. Can't just swallow it. Get the seeds and everything. Let's see. Oh, you're going to be so in trouble. It's already hitting you. Look. Oh, he's got to cross his legs. Look. Drink the beer down, baby. Go ahead. Get you guzzle. Let's see in your mouth. Open up. It's got to... Oh, chew it up more. No, you can't swallow it. You can't swallow it. You got to eat it.
That's the best $20 in my life.
And that's the best $20 bet ever. But watch. He's going to die.
Go for it.
You don't need a 40. You got your glass on the table. Crackers are right there. You're going on YouTube. You're going on YouTube. You're going. You're going on YouTube. Daddy gonna be sick. Little baby crying. Hold on, let's zoom in on that. Let me see them tears. Come on, put that face. Let me see them tears, baby.
Oh my fucking God!
I'm about to piss on myself.
I can't believe you done that. I can't tell. Oh.
Look at the face, boy. Look at
Oh my God.
Baby. Eat a piece of bread. Eat a piece of bread.
Shut up.
The bread is soaking up quicker than the crackers. The salt makes it worse. Eat you a piece of bread.
They go, I touched my eyes after I fucking touched it. Now give me a napkin, please. Help me out, give me a napkin.
You need a wet rag to wipe that shit off.
Oh,
a wet rag. Or get up and wash your... I thought you were going to wash your hands with it. Hey, you're going to...
I'm heartburn.
You wanted $20 bad enough. And there's the main culprit that got him right there. That's the one that charged him $20 for a habanero. Look at the sweat off his forehead, people. Look. Man, you are so glaring in this camera, let me tell you. Sweat is just pouring off your head. That ain't gonna help. That'll make him...
That's the best $20. Give me a napkin, please. A dry one.
See, can you get him a napkin?
Move.
You're the one that done it.
Oh! 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 Oh, in my eye.
His eyes, CK, hurry, he's dying.
I can't either. I just wiped his motherfucking eye. Fuck! Here, dude. Oh. Man, you didn't touch on your hands,
That's what a Mexican habanero will do to you. Don't add water, it makes it worse. And there's my two babies crying.
That burns. That ain't funny. It's in my eye.
Put the napkin.
Oh my God, it's in my fucking eye.
Go put some eye drops in, that'll help.
Hell no.
Y'all are so going on YouTube. That was fucking hilarious.
Done with. Fuck.
It ain't done with.
Fuck no!
Well,
Fuck, look at my eyes!
I mean, I've already got 5 minutes of y'all so far.
Oh my God! Oh my fucking God!